breezy. Near steady temperature around 70. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, western LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, eastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, Cass County in southwestern Michigan, western St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hartford to New Carlisle to 7 miles east of La Crosse, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near South Bend around 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Georgetown and Roseland around 10:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mishawaka, Niles, Walkerton, and Kuntz Lake around 10:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Plymouth, Granger, North Liberty, Edwardsburg, Elkhart, Simonton Lake, Cassopolis, Lakeville, Bremen, Napanee, Wakarusa, and White Pigeon. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 72 and 111. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central, Northeastern and Northwestern Indiana, and Southwestern Michigan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties. Via weather.gov/IWX. The severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart, East Central St. Joseph, Western LaGrange, Eastern Cass, and Western St. Joseph counties will expire at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The storms which prompted the warning have weakened below severe limits and no longer pose an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for North Central and Northeastern Indiana and Southwestern Michigan. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where? St. Joseph River, Michigan at 3 Rivers. When? Until early Tuesday afternoon. Impacts at 7.0 feet. Expect minor flooding of the Sidmore Park picnic facilities in 3 Rivers. Additional details, at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday the stage was 7.2 feet. Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday was 7.2 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise to a crest of 7.4 feet Thursday morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday afternoon. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Highs in the lower to... The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 125, effective until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: DeKalb, LaGrange, Noble, and Steuben, and the following counties in Michigan: Branch, Hillsdale, and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather, this is a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: LaGrange and Steuben, and the following counties in Michigan: Branch and St. Joseph. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of northwestern Steuben, northeastern Elkhart, LaGrange, St. Joseph, and Branch counties through 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At At 11:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 9 miles west of Union City to near Sturgis to near Topeka. Movement was east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty wind could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Strong thunderstorms will be near Union City around 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these storms include Bronson and Coldwater. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 15 and 21. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 101 and 138. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. This is a wind advisory for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blatford, DeKalb, eastern St. Joseph, Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, LaGrange, Marshall, Miami, Noble, northern Kosciuszko, northern LaPorte, Pulaski, southern Kosciuszko, southern LaPorte, Stark, Steuben, Wabash, Wells, western St. Joseph and Whitley, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Henry, Paulding, Van Wert, and Williams. Wind advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. What? Southwest wind 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northern Indiana and northwest Ohio. When? Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: gusty wind could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Now here is the forecast. Wind advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tornado watch 125 in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. Steuben and the following counties in Michigan: Branch and St. Joseph. Strong thunderstorms will impact St. Joseph and Branch counties through 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong miles per hour. Hazard, wind in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty wind could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects.